Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick review of this Kootion 128GB micro SD card. They kindly sent this out to me for this review, and today we're going to be going over what this is good for, whether it's just for dash cams or if you could use it for your camera. And we're also going to be unboxing it and going over this little USB 3.0 adapter. So that'll make transferring the files much easier and very fast. This thing can transfer files at 5 gigabits per second, so that's pretty impressive. If you guys have been researching a lot of micro SD cards, you guys might care about the ratings. This is a U3 rated SD card. It is also V30 and A1 rated. So that gives it read speeds of 90 megabytes per second and write speeds of 60 megabytes per second. So that's just enough to record 1080p footage like this. So you guys could record full HD. They do say that it is compatible with 4K, but I haven't personally tried that yet. With the read and write speeds of this, I would highly recommend using this for 1080p footage. So like your dash cam, a GoPro like this, or maybe even a security camera, this is gonna do just fine for that. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a closer look at the micro SD card and that USB adapter. All right, so there's the little micro SD card. It looks just like any other micro SD card I have. Let's go ahead and make sure that it fits in my GoPro session here. So we're gonna push it down and it fits just fine, so that's good. And this is what the little USB adapter looks like. You can tell it's USB 3.0 by the blue mark on the inside. And it does give you a little picture on which way to actually insert the SD card. So you're gonna do it with the color up facing that logo, and it just snaps right in place. Very easy to plug it just in your PC like that to transfer your files. And it's very easy to take out, you're good to go. I like to keep my SD cards in here or my SD card holder just so I don't lose them. But I think this SD card is gonna be great for my GoPro session right here. This is 128 gigabytes, so I'm probably not gonna be running out of any space on this thing while I record something during the day. So anyways, that is my really quick review of this Kootion micro SD card.